You want to buy a house? Don't fall into the trap. Beautiful houses are expensive and they do not get you a return. Let's compare beautiful houses for $350,000 and a damaged house for $300,000. If you add $50,000 work to the damaged house, the final value of the damaged house will not be $350,000. It will be most likely $400,000. Hence, by putting $350,000 in each house, you get a higher value for the damaged house. You have to look at its potential. How large is it? Is it well located? Can it be extended? Those are crucial factors to take into consideration before you take on to buy a house. Once you bought your damaged house, draft a plan to showcase your vision. Drastic and best results will involve removing walls and extending your house. Call about 10 contractors to do the work and receive an estimation cost. You will be surprised with the difference of pricing. Yet, don't believe in the first price and time schedule they give you. It will increase. So give the work to the contractors that you trust the most. And you are off building your high return house.